Welcome to Rich's Stock Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. This is a rare Chevy. Most of Tyco trucks are Dodges. And this is a Chevy. Step side. Got the old tailgate on it. Pretty cool looking truck. And it's kind of rare. Bring you guys around here and we'll look it up. Yep, she's a rare one. The only one I've ever seen, and yeah, I seen it and I bought it. Wasn't thinking I'd ever gonna see one ever again. So I bought it. It's on HP7. I'll let it warm up and we'll look it up in the book. Truck. And there she is right there. Number 16. Number 16, 8283, HP7, 6962, availability 1. Very, very rare, and like I said, that's the only one I've ever seen, pun intended. White, black, red, number 7, no roll bar. So yeah, it's the one. It's a rare one. The rear axle crown gear go on backwards on a HP7 because the magnets in the cam motor are backwards. Novus on the body. That's what I use to shine it up. Novus number 1. Do not use 2 or 3. It will take the paint and decals off. Pretty nice for HP7. Okay. Runs good on low voltage. Yeah, it's designed tilted, jacked up looking in the back. Pretty cool graphics on it. Number 7. Yeah, it's rare. It's a 1. Let's take her over to the track and take a few laps.
Nice. Nice and quiet. Smooth. Drifts a little bit on some of the sharp turns. Yeah. He's a runner. Chevy pickup truck on HP7 chassis. There she is. From 77, 78, I think I said it was. '77, '78. HP7. Yeah. Number 16. 82, 83 on an HP7. 69, 62. Good luck finding one. The availability is a 1. Very rare. No roll bar. Yeah, 14, the one that has Smith's tires. Smith's tire. Yeah, Smith's tire on the side. It's a rare one too. It's a 2 in the book. I've never seen one of those either. But it's a US one. So yeah. This one here come on HP7. They didn't make very many of them. If you see one of these bad boys somewhere, grab it. No matter what condition it's in. Because that's a 1. They're hard to find. And it don't matter if it's beat up. Get one. Have it in your collection. Best advice I could give you. 5, 6 years down the road, you find a nicer one. Then go ahead and you can get it. And you can afford it. Buy it. Then go ahead and sell the beat up one to somebody else. So they have one in their collection. Yep. Well, that's another Tyco Tuesday in the book, I guess. Appreciate it if everybody subscribed. I'm back up to, I think, 165, up close to 170. So that means I'm still missing a little over 100, 115, 120 people. I see a few every now and then, but I think it's kind of disrespectful to go into somebody else. You're watching their video and you go in a comment on their video and you see someone that you haven't seen in a while. They go in the comments and tell them, hey, I got a new channel. I don't do it. Don't figure it out. Appreciate you guys coming in. Yeah, like I said, subscribe and help me with my analytics by subscribing and by hitting a thumbs up and leaving a comment. Appreciate that. Yeah, they're getting real picky about the comments because a lot of times I used to just watch a video and I just give them 2 thumbs up in the comments. Just right click, go up the emoji, click on emoji, hit thumbs up. It automatically puts 2 in. Give them 2 thumbs up. Just real quick and simple. I can sit there and write a book about what I just saw, but why do that? I mean, some of you guys like to do that. You got nothing better to do. You get done watching it and you want to chit chat. That's fine. I read it and I'll comment back. Sometimes I'm in a mood for a long comment back, reply, a long reply. Sometimes I ain't. And I just give you a short one. It ain't you. It's just me, how I feel at the time. Don't take it personal. Appreciate you guys, all of you. And yeah, you guys have a great week. And we'll see you Friday for Tyco Friday. Later.